Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to solve Kling AI image to video generator stuck at 99% glitch. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go and refresh the page. Sometimes a simple refresh can clear temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, try cleaning your browser cache. Just go to your browser's settings, find the cache section and clear it. If you're still stuck, consider switching browsers. Sometimes compatibility issues can cause the generator to freeze, so using a different browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge can help. Another tip is to check your internet connection. A slower, unstable connection can interfere with the video generation process. If none of these steps work, try reaching out to Kling AI support team for assistance. They might have specific fixes for ongoing issues. So that's basically how you can solve Kling AI image to video generator stuck at 99% glitch. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.